Hey friend, welcome to English with Nate. We are building knowledge and confidence, one English word at a time. What does plaintiff mean? In this video, we will discuss the definition of the word plaintiff. I will also provide some example sentences, and there will be an opportunity to practice pronunciation together. Definition. Plaintiff means a person who brings a case against another in a court of law. Plaintiff means a person who brings a case against another in a court of law. The word plaintiff is a noun. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. If you like learning English words with me, smash that like button. That way more people can learn with us. Listen. Great job, friend. You know what plaintiff means. Now let's practice listening together. Example number 1. The plaintiff asked for a divorce because she believed her husband was unfaithful. The plaintiff asked for a divorce because she believed her husband was unfaithful. Example number 2. The plaintiff's lawyer asked that his client be awarded $1 million. The plaintiff's lawyer asked that his client be awarded $1 million. Speak. Great job! You've learned a new word. We've practiced listening. Now let's practice pronunciation together. Check out the phonetic spelling of the word plaintiff at the bottom of the screen. I will repeat the word plaintiff 3 times. I want you to listen and then repeat after me. Let's get started. Plaintiff. 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 Are you ready for a challenge? Repeat these phrases after me. The plaintiff asked for a divorce because she believed her husband was unfaithful. The plaintiff asked for a divorce because she believed her husband was unfaithful. Now let's practice saying the entire sentence. The plaintiff asked for a divorce because she believed her husband was unfaithful. The plaintiff asked for a divorce because she believed her husband was unfaithful. In the comments section, tell me where you're from and also if you've ever had an experience in a courtroom. If you have not practiced English for at least 30 minutes today, repeat this video or check out the recommended video, What Does Blasphemy Mean? We work together to gain knowledge and confidence, one English word at a time.